A moment of history and much needed hope for America. The first COVID vaccines now going into the arms of frontline healthcare workers, medics battling a fierce second wave, and now frustrating skepticism around a vaccine that could end the pandemic.
How does it feel to have made history?
It feels great. I'm happy to serve as a role model, to say that this is safe, that is perfectly fine, it's based on science, and then we encourage everyone when it becomes available to take the vaccination.
When the outbreak hit in the spring, New York was the epicenter. Since then, 300,000 Americans have lost their lives to COVID-19. 10 months on, a complex vaccine rollout is now in motion state by state. It's hoped 100 million Americans will be inoculated by the end of March. Many hurdles lie ahead before that.
This is an important moment in America's history, but the vaccine will be no quick fix. Deaths have climbed to more than 3,000 a day now due to coronavirus, and one of the government's leading advisors has warned we could see 9/11 style fatalities every day for the next 2 to 3 months.
But it's a historic day in America for two reasons: a vaccine delivered by the speed of science, and a slow, painful transition to a new presidency, with the Electoral College formally voting for Joe Biden. This despite Donald Trump's ongoing false claims he won the election.
I am pleased to announce that Joseph R. Biden has received 16 votes for President of the United States.
The vaccine came too late to save Donald Trump's presidency. For many, though, it's state governors who've rolled up their sleeves to tackle the pandemic. And the health community is still bracing for soaring cases around Christmas.
Sandra, today represents immense hope, much needed hope. But how concerned are you about the holiday season from what you're seeing at the moment?
So I'm concerned that people are going to gather. So I'd say to people, there is hope. Let's put off the celebrations. Let's do them virtually this year so that we can all be together next year.
The pandemic was politicized early on here, and at least 75% of Americans need to be vaccinated before the country can declare victory in this crisis. Sally Lockwood, Sky News, New York.